Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Xbox's IP4 address and current NAT state, open network settings, and write them down. Next, plug the Series X into Ethernet to avoid wireless variables, because wired tests isolate the problem. Then you log into your router using admin credentials and locate WAN IP, UPnP, port forwarding, and DMZ menus so you can change settings immediately. Once done, keep both devices powered and be ready to toggle services during the process. You reserve the Xbox IP and the router DHCP, or set a static IP4 on the console to prevent address changes, because consistent addressing is required for port rules. Then enable UPnP on the router and reboot it. UPnP usually opens Xbox Live ports automatically. If UPnP is unstable, manually forward Xbox Live ports 3074 UDP/TCP, 88 UDP, 53 UDP/TCP, 500 UDP, 3544 UDP. You now reboot the modem, router, and Xbox in that order, and then check network settings to confirm NAT change to open or moderate cleared. If you still see double NAT, inspect the WAN IP. If it's private, put the ISB modem into bridge mode or call the provider to resolve carrier NAT, because double NAT prevents correct port mapping. If problems persist, try another router or update router firmware. Make sure to re-enable UPnP or reapply DMZ after any firmware change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.